Car don't start.
Punch, but you know, punch back.
Let's see if it starts.
Oh, shit.
How's it starting but then stalling?
New engine. The keys in it and everything.
Dead battery,
Does the horn
buddy.
work? Half-ass.
Level 3. Let's pretend. Yippee!
Alright, now try starting it. Oh.
Level 1. Down. Up.
Damn, it shut off on us.
Level 1. Up. Down. Level 1.
Alright, now it runs fine. We're good.